Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir Ma'am. I'm Mirna Melesio. I'm 46 years old. I'm married with 5 children, 4 sons and 1 daughter, aged 25, 19, 16, 14, and 8 years old. I am college undergraduate with Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. I live in Del Pilar, San Mariano, Isabela.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience, I serve different families with different nationalities. I worked before in Malaysia as a household worker, but my main duty is family cook. I cook for three families, and I do also household tasks like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and car washing every weekend. I just finished contract from Qatar within the Turkish and Qatari family as a family cook too, and personal butler for my employers. I serve also family of Iranian and Palestinian, taking care of 2 children with 0-month-old and 1 and 8 months old baby, two babies.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
Yes, sir. When the baby is sick, I always check the temperature, and if it is high temperature, I have to inform my employer for their supervision, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking woman with good working ethics, trustworthy, loyal to my employer, and do all my best to provide the best result of the best satisfaction for my employer.
Okay.
Sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
Nothing, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, nothing too.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to help my husband, providing our children for their education financially, and of course I want to save and when retire I will enjoy my life.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your children?
Yes, sir.
If you get hired, you will take care of your children?
If I get hired, my children were big enough, but they were under my mother's care and my sister's care.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
Just singing, sir, with listening music with earphones, sir, and I'm calling my family not in working hours, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep sometimes at 10 to 11 at night, and I wake up at 6 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir. With the supervision of my employer, I go to merchandise with my employer, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I patiently calm, and I just prioritize my task to finish, sir. But sometimes I have also to see their safety.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yeah, I do helping, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir, but a big dog is.
Okay. Are you willing to share room with kids?
It's okay, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Okay. Can you sing nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Sir and ma'am, I am honest and trustworthy. I do all my best if you give me chance, if you hire me, and I do all my best to provide family satisfaction, household services as you desired, sir and ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay.